Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the rear window defroster on Volkswagen Tiguan for a generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix if your rear window defroster doesn't work. After that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the rear window defroster, most people assume that the fuse is, guys, in the main fuse box that's under the hood. Most people are familiar with that fuse box, but to our big surprise, it's only in this main fuse box that's, if you face the engine on the right side, that's on the driver's side. Actually, it's inside, hidden. You wonder where, let's explain that now, guys. Okay, so if you come here, open the door on the left side of the steering wheel, underneath, you have a hidden fuse box, some hidden relays, and you will have even more hidden relays here in the back corner. Now, guys, we have a special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It will teach you about all your hidden fuses, relays, all that stuff. Check it out, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, by the way, guys, before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Two fuses we'll need to check, then we may need to check up to 2 different relays depending on the year and model. And the first fuse, guys, coming in that row of fuses with the mini blade fuses in the third row from left to right, we need to check fuse number 20. The fuse number will be listed right under the fuse. That's that 5M fuse, that's one of them. Okay, that's the first fuse we need to check, and the next one that we're talking about will be fuse number 45, that 25M fuse here. Now, guys, here in the back, in the corner, you have relays. It's hard to explain exactly, okay, to show you a detailed picture of it. That's why we took a picture of the relays. We want to show you what they look like, okay, like this one. That's on the back side. So the diagram for these relays, guys, okay, will look something close like that. Now here, okay, we will need to check, guys, okay, a few different relays, and we're talking about 2 relays depending on the year, model, and all that stuff. You wonder which one? Well, relay 4 and 5, okay, will need to be checked for your rear window defroster, guys, on your Volkswagen Tiguan. Those are the main fuses, main relays that you will need to check. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.